Hi, so today I want to give you a demonstration of this very portable, very affordable and this off-grid solar powered system that we've developed. It is both battery and adapter powered and therefore can run on solar as well. It is very portable and can be set up anywhere in decent time. So therefore this is very useful for NGOs, makeshift hospitals, field health workers, food and relief camps, places where the access is difficult or the entry is restricted. Okay guys, as you can see we have assembled it. Average assembly time for the system seems to be about half an hour. So let's just go ahead and check this system out. The sensor used in this system to detect people coming into the tunnel is a PIR motion sensor. You can also use an ultrasonic sensor, which is slightly more expensive. The beauty about this system is that this runs equally well on batteries as well as AC power. So if you introduce a solar panel, this can go completely off grid. This system is so portable, a single person can carry this on his backpack and some portable bags. It's a very easily transportable, very portable system. This makes it the most apt installation for remote areas, for makeshift hospitals, for relief camps, food camps. This system can also be set up in places where more regularly defined tunnels cannot be put up. For example, if you are in a slum, basically this system is for those people who are on the go, want to set up this spray tunnel anywhere, anytime. As far as the body of the system is concerned, you can use single frame for doorways, or you can have different kind of bodies custom built for your purpose. You could have frame bodies covered with either flex, acrylic or stainless steel, or you could have an inflatable system. It works as well as any system out there that I have seen, and certainly is below the price bracket of those systems.